Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and innovations. Today, we're talking about the Bluetti EP900 home battery backup system. It's been making waves as a powerful solution for home energy backup, so let's get into the details. The Bluetti EP900 is not your average home battery backup. Designed by Bluetti, known for their portable power stations and solar generators. This system takes a modular approach, combining a 9 kilowatt inverter with compact B500 batteries. What's unique about the EP900 is its modular design, allowing homeowners to scale their energy storage needs from 9 kilowatt-hours all the way up to 18 kilowatt-hours or more, depending on how many B500 units you install. Installation is straightforward, with Bluetti emphasizing DIY friendliness. The system arrives pre-assembled, and setup typically takes around 30 minutes, making it accessible for those comfortable with basic electrical work. Now, let's talk features. The EP900 boasts a robust 9 kilowatt continuous power output, which is quite impressive for a residential battery. This means you can power essential appliances during an outage without skipping a beat. However, it's important to note that the EP900 does have trade-offs. While its round-trip efficiency is rated at 85%, which is slightly lower compared to some competitors, its depth of discharge sits at 90%, meaning you can use a substantial portion of its capacity without compromising longevity. According to industry experts, the EP900 stands out for its reliability and comprehensive warranty. Bluetti offers a generous 10-year warranty with specific guarantees on energy throughput and end-of-warranty capacity, ensuring peace of mind for homeowners. So, who is the Bluetti EP900 best suited for? If you're looking for a modular, high-power backup solution that you can install yourself, this could be a great fit. Just keep in mind its efficiency and capacity specifics to match your home's energy needs. That wraps up our review of the Bluetti EP900 home battery backup system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and tech insights. Until next time, stay powered up.